Turning now to health headlines, the Cook County Medical Examiner has a new online dashboard for the public. It tracks the cause of death for each of their cases that includes opioids, gun, and temperature-related deaths. It's also capable of filtering deaths by age, race, and location. The CDC is reporting that kindergarten vaccination rates for the 2023-24 school year hit a record low. About 280,000 children attended school without documentation of completing the measles, mumps, and rubella vaccine series. And the number of exemptions from one or more vaccines among kindergartners increased in 40 states and Washington, D.C. 14 states reported exemptions topping 5%. Speaking of vaccines, some experts are blaming vaccine fatigue for spiking rates of whooping cough. Doctors recommend boosters every 10 years or so, starting in the tween years as kids start middle school. The CDC is reporting today that more than 14,000 cases of whooping cough have been confirmed so far in 2024, and that's a significant increase over last year's total of just under 3,500 cases. Early symptoms of whooping cough are similar to a common cold. It's often identified by the whoop noise made when someone's gasping for air after a coughing fit. Babies and young children may not cough but have difficulty breathing instead. Okay. Stephan?